What world would it be without Nutella? It is the famous advertising slogan of Nutella, the most famous hazelnut spread in the world, born in 1964. It is very popular with young and old alike, for breakfast, spread on a slice of bread, or as a snack in the afternoon. Nutella is marketed in 170 countries around the world, spread over the 5 continents, and is a trademark belonging to Ferrero, Italian multinational company, specializing in the production of confectionery products. The Nutella recipe is secret, and no one, except the company itself, knows it exactly. This is also demonstrated by the fact that there are hundreds of spreads with cocoa and hazelnut flavor that are on the market, but none of them have managed to collect the success of Nutella and replicate its inimitable taste. However, the ingredients used are not a mystery, which by law must be indicated on the package, together with the nutritional information per serving and per 100 grams of product. Nutella contains 7 ingredients: sugar, palm oil, hazelnuts 13%, skimmed milk powder 8.7%, low-fat cocoa 7.4%, emulsifiers, soy lecithin, and vanillin. Let's now analyze the nutritional values. For 100 grams of product, we find 57.5 grams of carbohydrates, of which sugars 56.3 grams, 6.3 grams of protein, 30.9 grams of fat, of which saturated 10.6 grams. Now, let's try to recreate a stratified glass jar with the various ingredients divided into overlapping layers. We therefore note that the most abundant layer is made of sugar, which exceeds 50% of the total weight. Immediately after, we find palm oil, then hazelnuts, skimmed milk powder, and cocoa. The World Health Organization reminds to consume less than 10% of the total calories consumed. On the official website of Nutella, we can find out more about the ingredients. The sugar they use is 80% beet sugar, coming from Europe, mainly from local producers, and 20% refined cane sugar, coming from non-European countries, Brazil, Mexico, India, and Australia. The hazelnuts come from hazelnut groves, which are mainly found in Mediterranean climates, and are harvested between the beginning of August and the end of September. In first place, we find Turkey, the world's leading producer of hazelnuts. The remaining hazelnuts for the preparation of Nutella come from Italy, in particular from Piedmont, Lazio, and Campania, and from the United States, Oregon. To ensure the availability of fresh and quality hazelnuts, the cultivation also takes place in some countries of the Southern Hemisphere, such as Chile, Argentina, South Africa, and Australia, as well as Georgia and Serbia, so that they can be harvested from February to March. Most of the cocoa comes from small farmers spread across the Ivory Coast, Ghana, and Nigeria. The palm oil used instead comes for 80% from Malaysia and the rest from Indonesia. However, it is 100% sustainable palm oil, which allows a 56% reduction in greenhouse gases compared to non-certified palm oil. It is extracted from certified plantations and then kept physically separated from conventional palm oil throughout the supply chain. This ensures that it does not come from plantations prone to deforestation. However, palm oil remains at the center of numerous debates for health and environmental issues. The European Food Safety Authority has found 3 substances carcinogenic that develop during the processing of vegetable fats and oils at temperatures above 200 degrees. However, they were found to be carcinogenic in vitro at very high concentrations. This means that quantities are difficult to reach with nutrition alone. Given the very high calorie content and the high amount of sugar and fat, Nutella cannot therefore be considered a healthy food, but this does not mean having to eliminate it forever from your diet. Experts recommend consuming it in great moderation, and just sometimes, you can let yourself go to the temptation to sink the spoon into a nice jar of Nutella.